In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your bank and credit card accounts to QuickBooks Online. This process is essential for anyone looking to streamline their financial management and automate the way transactions are recorded. By connecting your accounts directly to QuickBooks Online, you can ensure that your financial data is accurate, up-to-date, and easy to reconcile. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. On the left side, you'll see a panel with different options. Go ahead and click on Transactions. This is where you'll manage all your financial data, and it's the first step in linking your bank and credit card accounts. If you're setting this up for the first time, you'll see a button labeled Connect Account. This is your starting point for integrating your financial accounts. Click on this button, and it will begin the process of linking your bank or credit card account to QuickBooks Online. For those who may have connected accounts before, you'll find a Link Account option in the top right corner instead. Click on that to proceed. Now, you'll enter the account connection process, a guided experience designed to make integration smooth and straightforward. QuickBooks will prompt you to select your bank from an extensive list of available institutions. This comprehensive selection ensures that most people can find their bank and get connected without any hassle. Once you've chosen your bank, the next step is authentication. This part is crucial as it ensures a secure connection between QuickBooks and your bank. You'll be asked to sign in using your bank credentials. Rest assured, this step is protected and uses advanced encryption to keep your information safe. After entering your credentials, follow any additional security steps your bank might require, such as multi-factor authentication. After successfully authenticating, QuickBooks will ask you to select which accounts you'd like to connect. For instance, you might have multiple banking or credit card accounts with the same financial institution. You can choose one, several, or all of them, depending on your specific needs and preferences. When you've made your selection, QuickBooks will work its magic to sync these accounts. This integration allows the software to automatically pull in your transactions, ensuring your records are always up to date. Once everything is connected, go back to the Transactions tab on the left panel. Here you'll see a list of your linked bank and credit card accounts displayed within QuickBooks Online. This view will provide a clear picture of your financial standing and help you manage your finances more effectively. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected your bank and credit card accounts to QuickBooks Online, setting the stage for more efficient financial management.